In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a man named Michael. He had a well-paying job at a prestigious financial firm, but as the years went by, he found himself increasingly disillusioned and unsatisfied. The passion that once burned within him, his love for painting, had been buried beneath a mountain of responsibilities, deadlines, and long hours at the office. He felt like a prisoner in a golden cage, and the frustration was eating away at his soul. One day, Michael decided he couldn't bear it any longer. He yearned to rekindle the fire of his artistic spirit. Desperate to find a way out of the corporate rat race, he heard about a Zen master who lived in a tranquil monastery on the outskirts of the city. This master was renowned for guiding people in rediscovering their true selves. With determination, Michael set out to meet the Zen master. After a long journey through the countryside, he finally reached the monastery, where he was greeted by a serene, old monk. Michael explained his predicament, and the monk led him to the master's chambers. The Zen master was a wise and gentle man with a warm smile that instantly put Michael at ease. He listened to Michael's story with patience and empathy. Then the master gestured for Michael to sit, and he began to tell a story. Once, in a bustling city much like the one you live in, there was a renowned chef named Takeshi, the Zen master began. Takeshi was known for his culinary excellence, and his restaurant was always busy. However, Takeshi harbored a deep love for the serene art of gardening. He yearned to create beautiful, tranquil gardens filled with vibrant flowers and lush greenery. Every night, after the last customer had left, Takeshi would secretly tend to his garden. It was his way of finding solace from the bustling, high-pressure world of the kitchen. He would plant seeds, nurture delicate blooms, and create small pockets of beauty amidst the chaos. One day, Takeshi met a wise gardener who had created magnificent gardens across the world. Takeshi confessed his inner struggle, explaining how his job as a chef, while successful, left him unfulfilled. The gardener smiled and told Takeshi, "Your love for gardening doesn't have to be separate from your life as a chef. It can be a source of inspiration, a way to balance the chaos." With that advice, Takeshi transformed his restaurant. He planted herbs in the windows, hung baskets of flowers, and adorned the dining area with greenery. His customers were enchanted, and his restaurant became even more successful. From that day forward, Takeshi found solace and joy in his passion for gardening and his work as a chef. His life was no longer a struggle between two worlds. Instead, they harmonized beautifully. The Zen master looked at Michael and said, "Your passion for painting, just like Takeshi's love for gardening, doesn't have to be separate from your career. Find ways to infuse your job with the essence of your passion and let them coexist harmoniously. Balance, my friend, is the key to a fulfilling life." Michael left the monastery with newfound clarity. Inspired by the Zen master's wisdom, he began to incorporate art into his daily routine. He painted during his lunch breaks and transformed his office space into an inspiring haven for creativity. As a result, his job became more bearable, and he found the balance he had been seeking. Over time, the frustration that had plagued him began to dissipate, and his love for painting was reignited. He learned that it was possible to follow one's passion while still fulfilling one's professional responsibilities. Thanks to the guidance of the Zen master and the story of Takeshi, Michael's life transformed into a beautiful blend of work and passion. much like the vibrant gardens Takeshi had created amidst the bustling city.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos.